So we're at Lucky Bay now at Port Gregory, just below Kalbarri, and we're just in the sand dunes and we're going to watch the sunset over the ocean. It'll be our first one over the ocean for a while, so we'll have a watch.
Mom, can we run down the mountain?
So how good was the sunset?
Super!
Super? We're going to go back and have some dinner. What did you think of the sunset, Lise?
No, we don't have a dinner. But this is cool. I learned how to do a carpark. And Mom, can I run down the hill and then whoever's wins. Yes.
To cook dinner?
No.
Alright, Lacey, show us your cartwheel. You only started practicing this afternoon, didn't you? Go. Pretty good.
Woo!
Jimmy, what did you think of the sunset?
Very nice.
That's really cool.
One more time.
Just at Kalbarri, in the Kalbarri National Park. I just started the hike with our groovy doovy fly nets on. Oh, you feel like a bit of a weirdo in.
Yeah.
And we're just
Daddy looks like he has a beard.
we're just doing the Z Bend trail, and then we'll go to the Skywalk and the Nature's Window. So we'll see you there.
Look. Forward, look forward. Up. Come on, quick.
Let's see if we can scare him. Ah! Get off my bridge. Oh. How cool is this? Such a good view.
People walk down there.
Yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow and go down
And
there because we're running out of daylight.
And we might go for a swim down there.
Yeah.
Maybe a 4-wheeler in there first. Then Mom, are we going somewhere?
And Nikki just spotted some goats, so we'll go have a look, eh? There's 3. Yeah.
What did you say?
There's another black and another white one. How'd you go catching the goats?
Yeah, good.
Got one for dinner?
Yep, sure did.
Sure
Black and
did.
white one. No, it's in my tucker bag.
Where's your tucker bag?
I thought you had it.
Tackle belt. What's a tackle belt?
Tucker bag. Oh, no goat for dinner. Well, guess we'll just have to go and get Macca's.
We'll just have salmon.
He does not like getting takeaway, okay guys? He does not. And now he's joking. So don't listen to him.
So we got to ditch the fly nets and we're just at the Skywalk now. We're getting close. There's still a few flies, but not as many as there was.
It looks so good. It looks really good. I'm excited for the Skywalk.
As good as me. Skywalk. Oh my god, there's emus.
Is it?
Yep. Lacey, there's emus. There's emus.
Oh, look at the little babies.
Go on, go bash him, show him who's boss.
No, I'm not okay.
They're cool.
Don't hit me.
Oh, someone stole one. Yep.
K-A-L.
This is cool. That's trippy. We're up pretty high. Are you scared? You sure?
Yeah. Trying to.
I'm not scared. Is that a crack? A bum crack? Pretty bloody cool.
Very
Cool,
cool.
dude.
It's crazy.
We're so high up.
Cause no one's here, we're putting the journey up.
Alrighty guys, so we've come back up to the nature's window this morning because last night we felt like it was a little bit dark and couldn't really see super well. The photos were alright, but we thought we'd come have another look. So we got here a bit after sunrise, I would say, and yeah, but it's brighter today, which is good. So, and the colours look really awesome. Look at all the rocks.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh yeah, mommy. I want a chair car. The window, the window, the window, the window, the window, the window.
Bloody tourist in the way.
The window, the window.
You bloody tourist, are you?
Yep.
How cool's this?
Very cool. It's disappointing that it's cloudy because the sun would make the rocks look really awesome.
Oh, it's still cool.
Cooler than last night.
Okay. So we didn't end up doing the gorge walk the next morning because we realised, or we didn't realise, we forgot that we had about a 4 or 5 hour drive to our next campsite, which is Big Lagoon. You'll see that in a second. But we just had enough time to quickly run down to the Nature's Window again and see that before we had to head off. But hopefully next time we go to Kalbarri we can hit up the gorge walk. So here's Big Lagoon.
The sun is setting. It's really cool. What did you do? Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, so we're at the hot tub just down the road from our camp at, where are we camping? Big Lagoon.
Cool.
It's at the Perron Homestead, is that what it's called? It's something like that. If it's not, we'll put it down here. It's really hot, it's really relaxing.
We wish you could be in it.
Yeah. It is really awesome, isn't it, Cooper?
Hot. Oh, yeah. It's hot from now. We don't need it.
It's open 24 hours for the people that are staying in this area, that are camped here. And yeah, it's really awesome.
What's this? What's this? I'm trying to learn.
We just finished the hot tub. It was super duper hot in the end.
It was hot when I just got in, but not hot when I stayed in.
Yeah, it was 40 degrees, I think the sign said.
It was actually
And the first 5 minutes was
relaxing.
absolutely amazing. You wanted to stay in there all day, all night, and then it got too hot. Anyway, we're gonna come back tomorrow morning, and hopefully it's not busy because we came back earlier today and it was chockers. That's why we came at night. So we'll see what happens anyway.
And I have a really bad headache now from the water. Like, I'd been in the water for probably 5 minutes or so, and I started getting a headache already. So I'm a bit soft though. So anyway,
Back to camp.
yeah, back to camp.
So we've just got back to the hot tub today and we've snagged it again.
Made some friends again.
Yeah, there's a couple of people in, but they've left. Now we got it to ourselves again. But it is super hot today. Hotter than last night, I reckon.
I reckon it's because the sun's out. So it just
Yeah, it feels hotter.
The breeze! The breeze! Look, it's hot.
It's really nice.
What's this? Mom, look, there's a little wave. Mom, look, there's a little wave. Mom, there's a little fall on here. We can be on this.
Hey guys, so we're just heading up to the lookout that's at the Big Lagoon campground. This is the ramp that you walk up to walk up there. Let's go and check it out.
Go, baby. And I did not thought that water was very high.
So you can see our camp from up here. Just straight over there. Now we're going to walk down and walk along the beach and have a look at the cliffs. Not cliffs, but they're like the sides of the... I don't really know what they're called, but Jim said they're red, so let's go check them out. We just got to Shell Beach because we're heading out of this part of the area now, from down here back down towards the highway. And yeah, we just got to Shell Beach and have a look.
We're not allowed to steal shells.
Yeah, not allowed to take the shells.
But pretty cool. Look here. No way. No way. You can have a look at this.
So we just got down to the water. Have a look at the shells. It's very cool. And the water is absolutely crystal clear. It's so beautiful.
How cool was that, man? That was so freaking awesome!
Oh, no, we're not.
Hey guys.
Next time we're in Kalbarri. That's it.